ओम शरदिंदु समाकारे परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणि वासरापीठ निलये सरस्वती नमोस्तुते। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Welcome to all. Already last week we told that we will have a special class on Vedic mathematics. That class starts now. And our Bhaskar Garu is very much pleased to stay with you full 1.5 hours. Nobody will stop him. Today there will be no Sundarakanda. Today there will be no legend. Today there will be no Panchatantaram. No separate shlokas. Only Vedas, which we got from day one.
Today, one special is today I visited Vedadri.
Excellent. Narasimha Swami darshan you got.
Very special.
Very nice. Narasimha Swami is blessings to all the children carried by you from Vedadri to your children now today. Very nice.
Vedadri to Vedaganatham.
So
Through Sri Veda Bharati. Vedadri to Vedaganatham through Veda Bharati.
Very nice. Excellent composition. So just I would like to say only one word. So actually we have been performing Chandi Homams for last 10 years. Last 2 years back we started Sahasra Chandi Yagam in installments we started. We wanted to complete it in 10 installments. By yesterday 9 installments are completed. That's called, we call it as Shatachandi Yagas. 9 we have performed. Only one is pending, that will be performed either next month or subsequent month. Maybe in month of April or in month of May. The date is not yet confirmed. There you will find a lot of energetic information being recorded there. We are planning to record all the 4 Vedas fully from A to Z by great Pandits. We want to have Pandita Satkaram, felicitating the great Vedic scholars and felicitating the great Yatis, that is the sannyasis. In between already the programs which we have completed, we got a recording of Venavadam, violin, then Bharatanatyam by children. Those things actually, those bits also we will be putting our YouTube. Subsequently we will put it this week. You will enjoy it. Now I request Sri Bhaskar Garu to commence the class and take over finally. At the end, you please see that the Kayena Vacha Shloka also is chanted. Okay, that is only one thing. Nice of you. I will be trying to join you at the end. I will take you.
Yeah, sure.
All the best. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
I will be there if there is any help. I will be.
Yeah.
Over to you, Balavaskar Garu.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Good
you
morning,
should be able to
everyone.
share. And మీరు share చేయగలుగుతారు. You can share.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Just for my convenience, could anyone please tell me the order in which I have discussed? Because I know the concept, but in which order I discussed, I did. Yeah, Krishnaveni, you can unmute and tell me, so that I will note down. I don't want to miss the order. For that sake only I am asking. Yeah, first one.
Ekadikena purvena.
Okay. Done. Next.
Eka nyunena purvena.
Okay. Okay. No issues.
Some of it we didn't do. Some, and then antayoho dashakepi.
Okay.
And then Dvandva Yogam. That's it. We didn't do some of it. Yoga Dashakepi.
Yeah, third one is Antyoga Dashakepi. Fourth one?
And Dvandva Yoga. That's it.
Fourth one, Dvandva Yogam? No. I am asking the order in which I discussed in the class, from the first class to.
Oh, first class.
You have noted down in the.
And then Nikhilam Navadaha Charam.
I am asking your notebook order. I know the order, but in which order I have discussed with you people, because I'll be handling the multiple classes, right? So I'll be confusing in which order I discussed in which class. From your notebook, I am asking. Yeah, Sai Sujan, you can say. Sai Sujan, you want to tell? Yeah, please tell. Your notebook order, I am not asking whatever. I don't want to confuse you, just I'll put a notepad. Not able to unmute. Sir, please give unmute.
Yeah, now they can unmute, Andy. Now they can unmute.
Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Sai Srujan, you can tell. You can unmute and tell. What is the
first taken Unena Purvena? Second Ekadikena Purvena.
Okay.
Then Yavadadikam Tavadadiki Kritya Vadgam cha Yojit.
Wait. Your volume is low. Could you please be louder, bit louder?
Murugan, is it okay now? Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay. You leave it. So I'll be discussing in this order.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please.
Ekadikena Purvena.
Okay.
Antayo Desa Kepi.
Yeah.
Ekanyunena Purvena.
Yeah.
Nikhilam Nadaha Charanam Dastaha.
Okay. Yeah, I think I have noted in the same order. Yeah. Continue.
Yavadadikam Tavadadiki Kritya Vadgam cha Yojit.
Yes.
Yavadhunam Tavadhuni Kritya Vadgam cha Yojit.
Yeah.
Dvandva Yogam.
Dvandva Yoga. Next, I could have discussed this one also, right?
So now
Nikhilam also. Antiyayor Eva and Nikhilam also.
Nikhilam also. Nikhilam also.
And Nikhilam.
Sir, Antiyayor Eva you discussed after Yakan Yunena Purvena.
Okay.
I'm thinking this section ane anukunnanu nenu. It's old last semester section you are asking.
Yeah, actually, first
No.
Ekadikena
This one you can discuss. This one only I am asking.
గురువు గారు ఫస్ట్ ఏకాధికైన పూర్వేణ అయింది, తర్వాత అంత్యయోహో దశకేపి అయింది, తర్వాత న్యూనేన పూర్వేణ అయింది, తర్వాత అంత్యయోహో రేవ అయింది.
ఓకే.
ఇంకా చూస్తున్నాను.
గురుగారు
అంత్యయోర్ ఏవ తర్వాత నిఖిలం నవతః చర్మం దశతః ఫిఫ్త్ వన్. సిక్స్త్ వన్ వచ్చి నిఖిలం చెప్పారు.
ఓకే.
నిఖిలం తర్వాత యావదధికం తావదధికీకృత వర్గం చ యోజయేత్.
నిఖిలం తర్వాత ఊర్ధ్వతిర్యగ్భ్యాం
ఊర్ధ్వతిర్యగ్భ్యాం చెప్పారు సిక్స్త్ వన్.
ఈ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తారో లేదండి, మీన్స్ ఓన్లీ ఏకాధికైన ఏకన్యూనేన యావదధికం అండ్ యావదూనం ఓన్లీ 4 ద్వంద్వయుగం
అన్ని ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ లో చెప్పారండి.
ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్.
Okay. Today we are going to revise as many as we can within the given time limit 1.5 hours. Already we crossed 12 minutes. So getting into the concept.
గురుగారు
First one I am going to discuss. I will write down in English also. Don't ping me for that. Ekadikena Purvena. Okay. we are taking revision because if someone is left behind, to normalize everyone's knowledge, we are, so if you know, please bear with us. So to normalize everyone's knowledge, we are revising. So if you don't know, please note down, because we may not get the multiple revision sessions, because we have to cover the new concepts. Okay, so please focus and don't deviate from the class. Today, full concentration on the screen. Ekadikena Purvena, meaning one more than previous number.
సారీ అండి భాస్కర్ గారు, స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ మొత్తం ఆల్ సూత్రాస్ ఉన్న స్క్రీనే ఉంది.
నా జూమ్ లో ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉందండి, అది ఐ am not getting what it is.
Yeah, now it is.
Yeah.
Maybe update.
One more than previous number, and previous number means when to use. When to use to calculate the squares of number ending with 5. Ending with 5. Okay. Now here the peculiar term is previous number. Previous number means the number except the rightmost digit bracket in bracket you put it 5, rightmost digit 5, because here it is itself we have laid down the rule, the number should end with 5 to calculate the squares of number ending with 5. What are the examples of numbers ending with 5? 15, 25, 35, 45 and so on, any number ending with 5. So here previous number means in 565 previous number is 56, in 785 previous number is 78. Okay, please pay 100% attention here. If you don't know this, when I am discussing the next point, you will say, sir, what it is. So if you are not catching the point here, there you will struggle. That's why I am covering all the prerequisites and going to the conclusion. So please focus. If you are not focusing now, you will face the difficulty at the end. Okay, I covered first sutra, the meaning, one more than previous number. Here the peculiar term is previous number. So I will discuss when to use this sutra to calculate the squares of number ending with 5. So to calculate the squares of other numbers, we have other sutras. Only to calculate the squares of number ending with 5 only we have to use. In any other case we should not use. If you use, it will give a wrong result, because you have applied on the wrong place. So examples of numbers ending with 5 are 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 105, 205, everything. There is no ending. That is a infinite series. Okay, infinite. There are plenty of examples for the numbers ending with 5. So here previous number means the number except the rightmost digit 5. For example, in 565, 56 is the previous number. In 785, 78 is the previous number. In 15, previous number is 1. In 25, previous number is 2. So these are the previous number. So how can we calculate the squares of numbers ending with 5? Just add 1 to the previous number and multiply. For example, 15 square is there. That 15 square. What is the previous number here? 1. 1 into, add 1 to it. 1 plus 1. And 25 at the end by default. That means 1 into 2 and 25 is equals to 225. And then next example, 25 square. Here previous number is 2. Add 1 to it. 1 more than previous number. The sutra itself is telling 2 into 2 plus 1, and for the squares of a number ending with 5 will end with 25 by default. So no need to calculate, just put 25. That means 2 into 3 and 25. That means 2 into 3 is 6 and 25. You are calculating just a left part only. 25 is default. And then now your turn. Do 35 to 105. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 and 105. Please do and ping me in chat box. Okay. Please do ping in the chat box. Yeah. Someone is pinging, they didn't get it. I am still explaining the same concept. For example, 35 square is there. Okay, here you need to identify the previous number. What is the previous number? 3. 3 is the previous number in that scenario. Just take that 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 and 25 for the number ending with 5, its square will end with 25. So just put 25. So 3 into 4 and 25. 3 into 4 is 12 and 25. 12, 25. Or you can imagine like this also. 35 square means 35 into 35. Five into 5, 25 by default. So you are multiplying these two and putting 25. And here you are adding 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 4, and if you do multiplication of these two, 4 into 3, now it is 12. 4 into 3 12. Final answer is 1225. This is for 35 square. Hope everyone got it. I asked you to do from 35 square to 105 square. 35 square to 105 square means already I explained 15 square and 25 square. I asked you to do 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95 and 105. Okay. So I am asking everyone, first where you are facing in this. If you are not understanding here, you will face the problem there. At the time of explaining, you will ask, could you please explain one more time? First, if you are facing the difficulty in understanding this one, please let me know. Mantra is Ekadikana Purvena, meaning one more than the previous number. And when to use that one, first understand it. When to use that one? To calculate the squares of number ending with 5. What are the numbers ending with 5? Examples of number ending with 5 are, if you don't know number ending with 5, if you are facing the difficulty in identifying number ending with 5, so please listen carefully my each and every word. If you miss one word also, it may create a difficulty for you. Okay? So the mantra is, listen carefully now. And if you are facing challenge, please ping then and there. Okay? Ekadikena Purvena. Mantra is Ekadikena Purvena. Meaning one more than previous number. One more than previous number. When to use that one? To calculate squares of numbers ending with 5. To calculate squares of numbers ending with 5. Okay, what are the examples of numbers ending with 5? 20, 15, 25, 35, 45. Remaining you write it. If I write it, you will not catch the concept. I have given, you write it. Remaining 15, 25, 35, 45. You tell me remaining examples. What are the numbers ending with 5? Examples of numbers ending with 5. 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 125, 135, 145, 155. So, if you are not getting that point where you are facing the difficulty, there you have to fix the problem. Then, in this, you have to catch one peculiar term, previous number. What is that previous number? Previous number means the number except the rightmost digit 5. That means in 565, previous number is 56. In 785, previous number is 78. In 15, previous number is 1. In 25, previous number is 2. In 35, previous number is 3. In 45, 4. In 55, previous number is 5. So this is how you have to identify what is the previous number. then what mantra is telling? One more than previous number. That means add 1 to the previous number and multiply with the same number. For 15 square, 25 at the right part, and just add 1 to this and multiply with the same number. That means 1 into 1 plus 1 and 25. 1 into 2 and 25. 225. Next, 25 square. The previous number is 2. Add 1 to the same number and multiply with the same number. 2 into 2 plus 1 and 25. That is 2 into 3 and 25. 625. One more thing. 35 square. 3 into, here previous number is 3, and add 1 to the previous number. That means 1 more than previous number means add 1 to the previous number and multiply with the same number, and 25 at the end. That means 3 into 4 and 25. 3 into 4 equal to 12 and 25. 12, 25. Right? Next, 45 square. 4 into 4 plus 1. And you can write, instead of 25, you can write 5 into 5 also. It's not a problem. That means 4 into 5 and 25 equal to 4 into 5, 20, and this side 25, 20, 25. Okay, and next one, 55 square. 5 into 5 plus 1, and this side 5 into 5, 5 into 6 and 25, 30, 25. Okay, and then 65 square. 6 into 6 plus 1 and 5 into 5. 6 into 7 and 25 equal to, the final answer is 42, 25. There is no end, even it will work with any number of digits. For example, 125 square. Just to show the 3-digit example, I am giving this. 12 into 12 plus 1 and 5 into 5 is equal to 12 into 13 and 25. That means 12 into 13 equal to 15625. This is the answer. It will work with any number of digits. So here in 125 previous number is 12. So if you are able to identify the previous number, just add 1 to it and multiply it. 12 into 12 plus 1. 12, that means 12 into 13, 156, 25. So when you are practicing, you have to practice like ekadikena purvena, meaning one more than previous number, when to use to calculate the squares of numbers ending with 5. Example, 15 square, 225, 25 square, 625, 35 square, 1225, 45 square, 2025, 55 square, 3025, 65 square, 4225, 75 square, 5625, 85 square, 7225, 95 square, 9025, 105 square, 110, 25, 115 square, 13225, 125 square, 15625, so on. So with this you have, here you are not calculating the entire thing. In 35 square you are calculating just 3 into 3 plus 1, 3 into 4, 12 only, 12, 25. In 45 square you are not multiplying 45 into 45, you are just multiplying 4 into 4 plus 1. That means 4 into 5, 20. You have to catch the logic. In 65 square, 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 means you are multiplying, when you are adding 1, it is giving the next number only, right? For the 6 into 6 plus 1 means 6 into 7. The next consecutive number you are multiplying with. 6 into 7, 42. 7 into 8, 56. 8 into 9, 72. 9 into 10, 90. You are multiplying it with half of the number only. So like that you have to catch the logic. In 15 square, you are not multiplying 15 into 15. 1 into next number of 1. 1 plus 1. 1 into 2. 225. 25 square. 2 into 2 plus 1. That means 2 into 3. 625. 25 is common for square of number ending with 5. So if you are able to understand this statement, and if you are able to catch the logic, catch the concept behind it, nothing more than this. In Ekadikena Purvena, first know the meaning. Mantra is Ekadikena Purvena, meaning is one more than previous number. When to use? To calculate the squares of numbers ending with 5. Examples of numbers ending with 5. First you should understand this logic. What are the numbers ending with 5? And what are the previous numbers in it? Previous number means except the rightmost 5, rightmost digit 5, entire left part is treated as previous number. So add 1 to it and multiply with the same number. Here is the catch you have to. In 125, 12 is the previous number. Add 1 to the previous number and multiply it. 12 into 12 plus 1. That means 12 into 13. And 5 into 5 is 25. So for a square of a number ending with 5, it always ends with 25. Okay. 65 square is 4225. 6 into 7. Okay. Next concept is, next sutra we are going to next. Sorry, I got a phone call. Next one is similar to this concept. Second one, Antyoho Dasakepi. English, Antyoho Dasakepi. Yeah. When we are in the beginning stage, don't go with the too high numbers. Okay. Please stop spamming the chat box. Okay. So I am not observing. I am focusing on the class. So when I got a break, I used to see the chat box. So please don't spam. So when you are a beginner, begin with small numbers to understand the concept. Don't go too big numbers now itself. Okay. Then Antyoho Dasakepi, meaning ending digits sum equals to 10. Ending digits sum equals to 10. When to use? To multiply two numbers, if their left parts are same and their rightmost, 1 minute, sorry, most digits sum equals to 10. So if you have to use this mantra, these two conditions should be satisfied. If the two numbers left part should be same and their rightmost digit sum must be equals to 10, then only you have to apply. So I am giving an example. You just observe whether you can apply this mantra or not. I am just testing your level of understanding. Example 1, 37 into 43. Can we use this? (37 into 43). Just observe. Here I am telling two conditions must be satisfied. Their left part should be same and their rightmost digit sum must be equals to 10. Rightmost digits are 7 and 3. Their sum is 10. 7 and 3 sum is 10. But left parts are not same. Here 3, it is 4. The answer is no. We should not apply in this scenario. I am intentionally giving wrong patterns to test your level of understanding. We should not apply. Here, second condition is satisfied, but first condition failed, right? Their left parts are not same. Here, I am giving another example. 22 into 28. Can we apply? Ping in chat box, yes or no? Yeah, fantastic. No one given wrong answer. Okay, everyone has given correct answer. Yes, we can apply because their left parts are same and their rightmost digit sum is equals to 10. Both the conditions are satisfied. (44) into 45. Can we apply? 44 into 45. Still few people are giving wrong answers. Please focus. That means you didn't understand those two conditions. By scanning the numbers itself, we should be able to judge whether we can apply Antiochus-Escape or not. Not only Antiochus-Escape, to which pattern it will fall, we should identify immediately. We should not apply because even though their left parts are same, their rightmost digit sum is not equals to 10. 4 plus 5 is 9, not equal to 10. So second condition failed. Even though left parts are same, their rightmost digit sum is not equal to 10. See this? 4 plus 5, rightmost digits. So that's what I am testing your level of understanding. First understand the conditions when we have to apply. To multiply two numbers, if their left parts are same and their rightmost digit sum equals to 10. First catch what I am saying. Otherwise, you will apply the mantra in a wrong place and you will get wrong answer and you will think that I am doing everything correct, but why the answer is coming wrong? So please understand carefully. You have to check the scenario and you should be able to judge which sutra we can apply. That's why I am clearly mentioning what is the mantra, what is the meaning, and when to use, and I am giving examples. So first you should have that intelligence. Okay. So these are the few more. Let us see for your testing. (65 into 65). Can we apply? Can we apply Antiochus KP? 65 into 65. Yes, we can apply because their left parts are same. Their left parts are same, and their rightmost digit sum is equals to 10. Their rightmost digit sum equals to 10. Their left parts are same. Next, I don't need answer, just tell yes or no. Can we apply or not? Okay. 1204 into 1206. I am not asking you to do the answer. Can we apply Antiochus KP or not? So first understand, otherwise at the ending you will suffer. Okay, left parts are same, 120, 120. Rightmost digit sum, 4 plus 6 is 10. So, Kartikeya, I think you can unmute yourself. I think you have a privilege.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you show me the sloka and when to use and meaning, sir, again?
Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So those things are very, very important. First understand those things. First you should be able to identify by seeing itself, you should be able to identify whether we can apply this or not. So first understand that one. Then how to apply the mantra? That means when I will be discussing the process. So then understand the process. And next question, please answer whether we can apply the Antiochus KP or not. Just check, can we apply or not? Rishit, I don't know why you picked 5 plus 4 equal to 9 here in this situation. Still people are picking wrong answers. That means you didn't understand the concept of these conditions. Here, see the rightmost digit sum should be equals to 10. But here, rightmost digits 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So second condition is not satisfied. The rightmost digit sum equals to 10 condition not satisfied. Then how can we apply? The answer is no, we should not apply. If this is 3, for suppose this is 3, then we can apply. Left parts are same and rightmost digit sum equals to 10. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Right? Next. (154) into 146. Can we apply? The reason also you can ping. If possible, the reason also you can ping. Yeah, left parts are not same. If you see the left part, rightmost digit sum equals to 10, but left parts are mismatching, not matched, not same. Left parts are not same. So we should not apply. This is most important. By scanning, you should be able to, by seeing itself, you can be able to say which mantra should be applied. So now the process I am discussing. For example, I am discussing 34 into 36. Can we apply Antiochus KP for this 34 into 36? Yes, we can apply because 34 into 35 is left parts are same and rightmost digits sum equals to 10. 4 plus 6 equals to 10. Okay, just I'll stopping and I'm sharing once again. Now I am taking the example of 34 into 36. Now you multiply these last digits individually. 4 into 6, 24, and just add 1 to this number. Almost similar to Ekadika and Purvana, except the right part. And multiply these two. 4 into 3, 12. Answer is 1224. Okay. Now, question to you. (43 into 47). To do this and ping me the answer. 43 into 47. A small observation. Yeah, Kushagri pinged. That is the specialty of this number. Answer. Yeah, thank you. That observation is mostly required. Okay. 43 into 47 is giving one answer. That answer is the current year. This year, 2021. Okay. Good observation, Kushagri. So, yeah, kudos to everyone who mentioned. Okay. Yeah, it's not a problem if you send it in a group chat or if you send it in private to me, the answers, it's not a problem. It is not a top secret, right? It is just your answer. So don't hesitate to ping to everyone. Next one, please see, observation is more important. Within 1.5 hours, we can tell only few points, but with your observations, you can grasp so many points. Not only here, not only in this class, whatever class you go, in your school, in your educational institution, wherever you go, when the teacher is teaching, observe. 43 into 47, just 2021 I can say and I can finish. But why I am asking? Just to improve your observation power. With observation only, we will learn more things. Okay? So that's a good one. Next question is 61 into 69. Here I am asking this to explain one scenario. Okay? Yeah. Some people are making mistake. So I'll explain that. To explain that, to correct that mistake only, I have given this. 61 into 69. When 1 into 9 combination came, 1 into 9, 9. But don't put 9 directly, 0, 9 you put. 0, 9. To explain that only, I told you. 6 into 7, 42. 1 into 9, 9 you kept. Don't put. When 1 into 9 combination came, put 0, 9. The answer is 4209, 4209. Okay? Whenever 1 into 9 combination came in Antiochus KP, always put 09. I have discussed why we have to put 09. Okay? Since in this revision class, for the time limitation, I am not discussing that point. So, simply I am telling the final conclusion. When 1 into 9 combination comes, put 09. Okay? 4209 is the correct answer. And I am giving the combinations of ending digits in Antiochus KP. Please note down. Other than these, if you have this list, you can scan the numbers very easily. Whether Antiochus KP can be explained, can be applied or not. First combination is 1, 9. Sum equals to 10 and multiplication is 09. Put like this. And second combination is 2, 8. Sum equal to 10 and multiplication or product is 16. The third combination is 3, 7. sum equals to 10 and multiplication result is 21, and next combination is 4 comma 6, sum equals to 10 and multiplication result equal to 24. 5 comma 5, sum equals to 10 and multiplication result equal to 25. Other than these 5 combinations, no other combination can come in Antiochus escape. Maybe reverse. Instead of 2 comma 8, 8 comma 2 may come. Ending digits combination I am writing. Don't confuse. That means 41 into 49, 42 into 48, 43 into 47, 44 into 46, 45 into 45. Or 61 into 69, 62 into 68, 63 into 67, 64 into 66, 65 into 65. So those combinations, these are the 5 possible combinations of ending digits. Possible ending digit combinations. You can put a heading, possible ending digits combination in Antiochus escape. So other than this, there is no other single digit combinations which can form the sum of 10. These are the ending digits combination in Antiochus escape. Other than these 5 combinations, no other combination can come. Maybe reverse. Instead of 3 comma 7, 7 comma 3. Instead of 43 into 47, you may receive 47 into 43. Both are same. That's why I am not mentioning the reverse. So in any order it can come. 2 comma 8 or 8 comma 2. Both I am treating as same. Okay. So this is Antiochus escape. When you are discussing about Antiochus escape, first you have to discuss mantra, Antiochus escape, meaning, ending digits sum equals to 10, and when to use to multiply two numbers if their left parts are same and their rightmost digit sum equals to 10. If you don't know these conditions, you will apply this mantra in a wrong places and you will get a wrong answers. And you will say, I am doing everything correctly, but the answer is not coming correct. So first, these conditions are very, very important to understand. That's why I have given a handful of examples. Just when to apply, when not to apply, I have discussed, and then I have given the examples. Okay, and just one 3-digit example. 103 into 107. Please do this. Just for a example for 3-digit number, 3-digit multiplication. All of you please do. Don't see at the screen. 103 into 107 question. Can we apply Antiochus escape? Few people are pinging the answer. Yes, we can apply. Just I am explaining the sum once again. Just follow. Some people are still in confusion state. So 103 and 107. Here, rightmost digits are 3 and 7. Ten into 11. 110. 3 into 7. 21. That means answer is 110, 21. Okay. Now, next question. One not 1 into 109. Please do this. Okay. One at 1 and 109. See this. When 1-9 combination came, I have informed put 09. Don't put a single digit 9. Put 09. Eleven into 10. 110, 09. That means the final answer is 11009. This is Antyoho Dashakepi. So I discussed 2 digits and 3 digits. It's up to you to continue with 4 digits, 5 digits and everything. I have shown the path. Okay. Next one is एकन्यूनेन पूर्वेण एक पूर्वेण meaning one less than previous number. When to use? To multiply 2 numbers if at least one number has all its digits as nines. All its digits as nines. What are the examples of numbers having all its digits as nines? Examples of numbers having all digits as nines. Examples are 9, 99, 999, 9999, and so on. So like this, 999, 999, 9999, 99,999. These are examples of numbers having all its digits as nines. That means one number should have all its digits as nines. These are the numbers having all their digits as nines. Okay. Ekanyunena purvena, one less than previous number, and to use to multiply 2 numbers. If at least one number has all its digits as nines, means there may be scenarios both the numbers are having all their digits as nines, but at least one number should have all its digits as nines. So there is no end for this. For numbers ending with 5 like this, any number of nines can be there. Now you noted, right? Ekanyunena purvena, one less than previous number, when to use to multiply 2 numbers if at least one number has all its digits as nines. Here, note down, previous number in this case or in this scenario means the number other than all nines number. All nines number. I am giving example. You please identify. What is 545 into 999? In this scenario, what is the previous number? And next, 876 into 999. What is the previous number in this scenario? What is the previous number in this scenario? Kushagri, 999. I am not telling previous number means position. Other than all lines number. This is the all lines number. Other than that number, whatever the number is having, that is previous number. 365 is the previous number. Previous number means it is not denoting any position. Sai Sujan, don't play. Okay, I am observing everyone. Pranav. Okay. Now I am going to explain the method. Please focus. $999 into 365. Our mantra is telling 1 less than previous number. Here previous number is 365. 1 less than previous number means 365 minus 1. That means put down 364. And I have subtracted 1 from this. 365 minus 1, 364. Now do the subtraction from left side. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. This is the answer. Got it? Just subtracted 1 from this. 365 minus 1, 364. And subtracted every digit individually. 9 minus 3 and kept here. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 364, 635. This is the answer. Final answer. And one more explanation. Your entire ninth table can be done using this. 9 into 8. Here what is the previous number? 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 8s are 72, you know that. But I still shown through Ekanyunana Purvena. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay? 9 minus 7 is 2. Nine 8s are 72. 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Okay? And entire ninth table you can do using this Ekanyunana Purvena. Just do that. 9 into 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 7s are 63. Okay, entire ninth table we can do with the Ekanyunana Purvena. Just for single digits I have shown. Just now double digits, just to do this. $99 into 67. Please do this. Okay, I think everyone got the concept. 67 minus 1, 66. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, great. Next one, next example is 99 into 75. Ping the answers. Yeah, sir. Sir, class lo చెప్పండి. Okay, now next question. 7425 is the correct answer, and 4-digit number let us do. 1 2 3 4. One, 2, 3, 4 minus 1. 1 2 3 3, and then 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 3 6. Okay, Kushagra, please be serious in class, don't play. Next, 5-digit example. 99999 into 3 4 5 6 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9, sorry, 3. And 9 minus 6, 3. This is the answer. Okay. So I have discussed equal number of digits both sides in both numbers. Means in number of nines and number of digits are same. There may be scenarios unequal number of digits may come. That means, for example, 5 nines are there and then 3, 4, 5, 6, only 4 digits are there. In this scenario, what you will do? That means case 2, if the previous number has less number of digits, that is the case. So here you will be putting left appending 0 to balance the number of digits. Number of nines are 5, number of digits on the previous number are 4. So you kept a left balancing 0. For example, if it is 3, 4, 5, how many zeros you will be putting? Yeah, very good. Means you will be putting 2 left appending zeros. Left appending zeros I am telling. 2 zeros left side of previous number. Now you will be doing like 0, 0, 3, 4, 345 minus 1, 344. Now 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. Okay. So this is case 2. Okay. Can you please ping me the answer for 4, 5, 6, 7? Please ping me the answer for 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, put a left appending 0 and then 0, 4, 5, 6, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. And 9 minus 6, 3. And 9 minus 6, 3. This is the answer. Don't confuse. Because we kept a 0, 9 minus 0 will result into 9 here. Somebody missed this 9, that's why I am telling. Okay. So today I am stopping with this because time is up. Venkat garu, Venkat garu. Sorry.
అని పిలుస్తున్నారమ్మా.
అని పిలుస్తా.
పేరనుకుంటండి వెంకట్ గారు. ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ సో.
సరే సరే ఉంటే వెంకట్ గారు ప్రేయర్ చేస్తారా అని నేను పిలిచాను. లేదు నేను చేసేస్తానులే. కాయేన వాచ మనసేంద్రియైవ బుద్ధ్యాత్మనా వా ప్రకృతిస్వభావా వా కరోమి యజ్ఞ సకలం పరస్మై నారాయణాయేతి సమర్పయామి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎనీ మోర్ డౌట్స్? Still I will wait for 5 more minutes. Yeah, Krishna, you are raising your hand. Yeah, please.
Okay, so is there like any more revision classes?
I didn't get
Any
your
more?
question.
ఇంకా ఏమైనా రివిజన్ క్లాసెస్ చెప్తారండి? అంటే ఇదే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వడం బాబు. సో 3
Okay.
సూత్రాలు కదా మిగతావి.
I will discuss with Guru Garu and Venkat Garu, and then I'll let you know, because scheduling part is not in my hands. So
ఓకే.
I'll discuss with them.
బట్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఏమి రిలేషన్ ఉండదండి?
I'm not sure, madam. So I will check. I'll check with Guru Garu and Venkat Garu, and I'll inform you. Is there? Yeah. Yes, please.
ధన్యవాదः భాస్కర్ మహోదయ.
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుగారు. ధన్యవాదాలు గురుగారు. ధన్యవాదాలు మహోదయ.
Punah milamah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. బాయ్.